Hello everyone, this is Dr. Irene. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and the topic I'm going to talk about today is how can someone know that she or he is HIV positive before carrying out a test. I'm going to talk about the signs and symptoms, early signs and symptoms of HIV before you carry out your test, the signs you will experience. That is, before carrying out your test, there are some signs you will experience in stage 1 that will make you know that you are HIV positive. So before you know your status, before carrying out test, there are some signs if you are positive. So guys, let me start with HIV. HIV, this is the acquired immune virus. So these viruses, they destroy the body's immune system, that making the body defenseless, hence it also becoming vulnerable to some infection. So the virus will destroy the immune system of the body, and the body will be defenseless, hence vulnerable to other infections. So if any infection attacks you, it will be very easy for your body not to defend. It will be defenseless. So HIV, the viruses destroy the immune system. So girls, that is all about HIV. So if you experience such and your body become defenseless, that is what we call the viruses have destroyed your immune system. Then we have AIDS, the acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Here virus spread from one person to another, the infected person to another person. And also here we have a collection of many signs and symptoms, and this is called syndrome. So syndrome is the collection of signs and symptoms. That's why we call it syndrome. Then also girls, these are the ways through which one can get HIV virus. So number 1, we have unscreened blood during transfusion. So make sure that during transfusion the blood is screened. Failure to that, it will lead to transmission of HIV. Then piercing or injection with sharp objects that have been used to the infected person can cause this. Then also we have a mother to baby during birth, childbirth or breastfeeding also can cause the transmission of HIV. Contact with the body fluids, unprotected sex, and also we have organ transplant. These ones can lead to transmission of HIV. So let us see, we are going to see how someone can know that she or he is HIV positive. Signs and symptoms. So I'm going to talk about the stage 1. In stage 1, this is where you will start experiencing some signs and symptoms of HIV. So in this stage 1, it is called acute. So here in stage 1, you will start experiencing some signs, and these signs will come after weeks. Let me say after 3 months. So after 3 months, when you have been infected, then after 3 months, the signs will start coming out. And these signs, and in this stage, you will still test negative. It will not test positive. So the signs will make you know that you have HIV virus. So guys, in this stage, this is where you will know. But after running out a test, it will still become negative. So these are the signs of stage 1. Remember, it is after 3, it will start coming out after 3 months. So after 3 months, you will start seeing these signs. So these are the early signs of HIV. If you want to know your HIV positive. So these are the early signs. We have fever, and the fever will bring headache. You will start feeling fever non-stop. It is fever every now and then, it doesn't stop. Then we have chills, then sore throat. You will feel sore throat, and when you cough, there is nothing coming out. It will be just sore throat. Even if you take antibiotics, it will not help. It will still persist. Then we have diarrhea. The person will start diarrheaing, so the diarrhea also will the diarrhea will persist. You will diarrhea even after taking drugs. It will stop for some minutes or some hours, then it will still come back. Also, the joint and muscle pain. The person will feel joint pain every now and then this will bring weakness. The person will start becoming very weak because of joint pain, muscle pain. This will cause weakness. The person will become very weak. Then we have coughing. The person will start experiencing cough. It will cough persistent. It will not stop. Even if you take drugs, it won't stop. It will be persistent. Maybe it can stop for some hours, then it will again come back. It will be that persistent. Then also a person will start becoming very swollen limb. Limb will swell. So this is also a early sign of HIV. So if your limb started becoming swollen, then know that this is an early sign. Then we have rash, skin rash. Your skin will start having rashes. Even if you apply Vaseline, lotion, you apply creams, it will resist. It will resist. And it will become very hard, rough. Yes. So the rash will affect. And also the skin will start becoming very rough. It will resist lotions, creams, and also Vaseline. It will resist. Then also we have weight loss. You will start losing weight. You will lose weight. Even if you eat, you use appetizer, you will really lose weight. You will start becoming thin. So these are the early signs of HIV, girls. So even without running a test and you experience these signs, know that you have to do something. You have to carry out tests. You know your status if you see these signs. But know that in first 3 months the result will become negative. It won't be positive. So after 3 months, after you've seen them, and I said these signs they will start showing up after 3 months. So when you test, it will be negative. Then carry out another test after 3 months. So after 3 months, again, this is where then we have stage 2. This is where you will test positive. So in this stage 2, this is where now result will become positive. So in stage 1, we said there is only signs, but you will test negative. So coming to stage 2, you will test negative. So here result will come out clear that you are positive. In this stage, no symptoms or signs will show that the person is suffering from HIV. There will be no signs and symptoms. So it will be hard for you to know that this person is suffering from HIV virus. So here also the immune will be able to suppress the virus. So yes, so in stage 2, only those ones. You will test positive and there will be no signs to show that you are HIV positive. And also here your immune will be able to suppress the virus. So only that, guys. So make sure that after every 3 months carry out your test. Know your status. It will really help you. And if you've experienced the signs, just just visit any nearby clinic where anywhere you can test your status, where you can know your status. Then also we have self-kit, girls. We have nowadays you can even test yourself in the house. If you don't want to be tested in the clinic, chemist or hospital, you can just buy test kit, self-test kit. You can test yourself. Then also we have, you can use blood test. Then we have, there's another one also, you can use saliva. Then also we have this one that you test in the hospital, clinic or pharmacy. So that's all, the 3 types. So if you want to know, if you want someone to test, if you don't want to test yourself, you can just come and be tested. If you want to test yourself, you can just buy kit and go and test and see the result. So girls, these are the signs. So if any case you experience such signs, just run very fast and know your status, because you can get it unaware if you don't know. But it is good to know your status so that you can avoid, you can know, you can get cancelled or way forward. So guys, that is all about for today. And girls or boys, if you still love my channel, you can just kindly subscribe, like and share. Bye for now, guys.